Our Indonesia factory was established in 2020 in Jakarta, with 7,800 square meters of production space and a 2,200 square meter warehouse. Sustainability is a key focus. We use eco-friendly materials and energy-saving processes. Backed by a team of over 100 people, including 20 engineers and 12 sales professionals, our Indonesia site is a key part of our global manufacturing network. The art of manufacturing, a complete packaging solution from plate making, printing, craftsmanship, production, quality inspection, distribution, and delivery. CTP plate making ensures precision from the very first step, laying the foundation for high-quality prints. Advanced offset printing machines bring designs to life with vibrant color and clarity. Paper finishes like embossing, lamination, foil stamping, and spot UV add texture, shine, and protection. Handcrafted production meets high standards for detail and finish. Semi-automatic lines improve efficiency while keeping the human touch. Fully automated machines handle large volume production with speed and consistency. Strict quality checks, both manual and lab-based, ensure every product meets global standards. Packaging and shipping are carefully handled to deliver on time every time. Our team works with focus and precision, paying attention to every detail because quality starts with people. We specialize in premium packaging for cosmetics, fragrances, spirits, electronics, and more, combining functionality with visual appeal. With a focus on quality, flexibility, and sustainable solutions, we're here to support your brand's packaging needs. Let's create something exceptional together.